If you've been wanting to trade crypto on MEXC but don't know where to start, this tutorial will take you from a complete beginner to confidently placing your first trades. I'll walk you through everything: account setup, deposits, the different trading interfaces, and step-by-step instructions for executing your first trade. MEXC might look complicated at first, but once you understand the basics, it's actually one of the easiest and most powerful exchanges to use. And here's the thing, most tutorials either skip the important steps or assume you already know things that beginners don't. That's definitely not going to happen here. And with my exclusive link, you unlock massive welcome rewards. New users can claim up to 770 USDT in bonuses, including a 50 USDT futures bonus if your first trade results in a loss, and even bigger rewards when you hit trading volume milestones. Plus, there's a 7,620 USDT cumulative trading task waiting for active traders. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to navigate MEXC, how to place your first trade, and how to unlock all the bonuses available with my exclusive link. So let's get started. Now here's why MEXC is one of my top choices for exchanges. MEXC is a trusted and rapidly growing exchange in the crypto industry designed for both beginners and professional traders. MEXC has deep liquidity. This means that your orders fill at the price you see, even with leverage. They offer a fast and simple registration. Here you can start trading in minutes, even without KYC for basic features. MEXC offers a wide range of coins from Bitcoin and Ethereum to hundreds of altcoins. They're known for listing new tokens faster than most exchanges. MEXC also offers multiple trading options such as spot, futures with up to 200 times leverage, copy trading, and crypto staking for passive income. MEXC gives huge bonus opportunities like the 50 USDT futures bonus for your first trade, 200 USDT position airdrops for deposits, daily task bonuses when you hit volume targets, and advanced challenges that can earn you thousands in rewards. MEXC combines ease of use, security, diversity, and rewards, making it perfect for both beginners and advanced traders. Now that you know why I like the platform, let's get started. First, click the link in the description. Using this link is crucial to unlock all the exclusive bonuses. You can sign up with your email or phone, or connect via Google, Apple, MetaMask, or Telegram. For this tutorial, I'll use Gmail. Once you're registered, you're inside your MEXC account and ready to start. The bonuses will be unlocked as you complete certain actions, which I'll walk you through. Right after signing up, you'll receive a 10 USDT voucher just for creating your account. If you download the MEXC app and complete login, that's another 10 USDT voucher instantly. Once you're logged in, you can see your main dashboard. You can see on top different options. MEXC uses different account types to help you organize your trading. They also have centralized exchange account and DEX Plus account. Here's what each of the accounts means on the centralized exchange. Spot account, and this is where your deposits land first. Here you can also buy and sell cryptocurrencies at market prices. It's ideal for holding assets or trading without leverage. Under Spot, you can see that you can get access to early meme coins, convert tokens, access to pre-market trading, and with zero fees. MX Zone, which is exclusive to MEXC holders. Here you can trade on-chain with alpha, and here you can trade coins that are not available on the exchange yet. Futures account. This is for leverage trading up to 500 times. It's allowing you to take larger positions than your balance allows. It also unlocks bonus rewards based on your transfers and trading volume. Here you can trade with USDT or USDC as margin, and even CoinM, which lets you settle futures trades in your crypto, also known as inverse futures. It also unlocks bonus rewards based on your transfers and trading volume. This is where you'll use your 50 USDT futures bonus and earn daily task bonuses. Under futures trading, you can also see the copy trading account. Automatically mirror experienced traders without needing to analyze every trade yourself. Perfect for beginners who want to learn while earning. Earn account. Here you can stake your coins and earn passive rewards over time if you don't have time to trade. MEXC offers competitive APR rates on major coins like Solana. You can also loan here at very competitive rate. On the navigation bar, you can also see events. In here, you can see the rewards hub, where you can track your new user bonuses and daily task progress. You can also see here giveaways, airdrops, launchpad, and more. And when you click on more, you can see different programs, news, announcement, research, and market insights to help you make better trading decisions. Moving over to the Dex Plus account, here you can see millions of coins that are not yet on exchanges. Here you can potentially see a lot of meme coins and early projects. In here, you can swap your crypto to another coin, track another user wallets, and trade meme coins or early projects. Now that you know the basics, let's get some money into your account and start claiming bonuses. Click on your profile at the top right, then choose Wallets, then click on Overview. Once you're on the Overview page, click on Deposit Now and click on Chain Deposit. On Select Crypto, choose USDT. USDT is ideal for trading, but Bitcoin or Ethereum works too. When selecting your network, choose the TRC20 network for low fees. You'll see your personal deposit address. Copy it carefully, then go to your current exchange or wallet, paste the address, and send your crypto. It usually takes 5 to 15 minutes. Pro tip, always send a small test amount first, maybe $10 to $20, and double check that the network matches on both sides. Now here's where the bonuses start to kick in. 50 USDT futures bonus. Eligible for compensation if your first futures trade results in a loss. 200 USDT BTC position airdrop if you deposit at least $100. On top of that, MEXC offers daily task futures bonuses, volume-based rewards, and larger position airdrops for higher deposits and trading activity. Some rewards may require identity verification. The platform checks that you're a legitimate trader, and if you qualify, the bonus will be credited automatically. If you don't have crypto yet, you can buy directly on MEXC. Go to Buy Crypto in the top menu. You have 5 options: quick buy and sell, P2P trading, fiat deposit, global bank transfer, and MEXC card. If buying with a card, select your currency, choose USDT, and pick your payment method: Visa, MasterCard, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and more. With P2P, you buy USDT directly from other users. Select your currency, choose a seller, follow their payment instructions, and the USDT will be released to your spot wallet. If buying with fiat via bank transfer, choose the amount and select the SEPA transfer option. MEXC supports all transaction sizes. Buying via global bank transfer is almost the same thing as buying via fiat deposit. Choose your currency, choose the amount you want to buy, and choose USDT as the crypto you will receive. Using this method will have 0% transaction fee. The 5th option is via MEXC card. In here, you can apply for a MEXC card, where you can buy crypto directly using their native card. Some options will incur higher fees when buying with fiat, but you're getting the bonus on top. And when you use my link, it still gives you the same bonus structure. If you deposited Bitcoin or another crypto but need USDT for trading, here's how to convert it. Go to spot trading by hovering on spot and click spot. Search for your pair, for example, BTC/USDT. Select market order, choose sell, enter the amount, and click sell BTC. This instantly converts your Bitcoin to USDT, which then appears in your spot wallet. You can also choose to convert instantly. To do this, go to spot and look for the convert option. MEXC's convert feature has minimal fees and gives you instant conversion at market rates. After that, your funds will appear in your spot wallet, ready to transfer to futures. By the way, before we continue, don't forget to check the Rewards Hub page after signing up with my link. You can track all your bonuses, claim your vouchers, and see exactly how close you are to unlocking the next tier rewards, like the 1000 USDT position airdrop or the 30 USDT futures bonus for hitting 300,000 volume. It's all automated. Just complete the tasks and the rewards get credited. Now let's move on to what you're waiting for, all futures trading. To open futures, hover on futures and click USDT-M futures in the main navigation. You can also choose USDC-M if you prefer USDC instead of USDT, or Coin-M if you prefer to trade futures with your selected crypto. But for beginners, I recommend using USDT. After clicking USDT-M, it will bring you to the futures dashboard. This is where you'll be doing most of your trading. I'll break down every section so it makes perfect sense. Here's what you'll see on the trading screen. Trading pair selection is at the top left. This is where you choose which crypto to trade, like BTC/USDT or ETH/USDT or any other altcoin. MEXC has hundreds of pairs available. The price chart is in the center. It shows the historical price movement, and you can change the time frame however you like. MEXC uses TradingView charts, which are industry standard. On the right side, you'll find the order book. Red numbers are sell orders, and green numbers are buy orders. The order placement panel is on the far right. This is where you'll place your trades, set leverage, and enter your position size. Finally, at the bottom, there's the positions panel. It shows your active trades, your profit and loss, and your liquidation price. Everything you need is right here on one screen, ready to trade. Before placing any trade, configure 3 important settings. First, choose your margin mode. MEXC offers 2 options: isolated margin. This protects the rest of your account. If the trade goes wrong, you only lose what you put into that specific position. Cross margin mode, all positions share the same margin balance. In the event of liquidation, traders may risk losing the full margin balance along with any open positions. For beginners, always use isolated margin to protect your account. Second, set your leverage. MEXC allows up to 200 times on certain pairs, but do not use high leverage as a beginner. Stick to 5 times to 10 times maximum. For this example, I'm using 5 times leverage on isolated margin. Let's place a long trade, betting Bitcoin will go up. Choose market order so it executes instantly. You'll see order entry options. Order by quantity. Quantity of the future's position with leverage applied. This can be denominated in BTC and USDT or CONT, which is varying. Order by cost. The cost here is not affected by leverage. For this tutorial, I'll use order by quantity in USDT because it makes position sizing easier. Set your position size. For example, a $50 position. With 5 times leverage, that's $10 of your own capital. Always set stop loss and take profit. This is non-negotiable. Click TP/SL to open the settings. I'll risk $2 to make $6, a 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio. Once everything is set, click Open Long. Your trade is now live. You'll see it in the Positions panel. Your entry price, current P&L, and liquidation price. To short the market, just choose Open Short instead of Long. Same process, but you're betting the price will go down. As your trade moves in your favor, adjust your stop loss to secure profits. Once you're up a few dollars, move your stop loss to break even. You can also increase or reduce your position while it's active using the Add/Reduce buttons. To close, let TP or SL close it automatically. Close manually with the Close button. Close a percentage of the position if you want to take partial profits. Adjust TP/SL directly on the chart by dragging the lines. Pro tip, don't get greedy. If you hit your take profit target, close the trade. The market will always give you another opportunity. Before we wrap up, here are essential rules when trading. Start with small position sizes. Don't risk more than 2 to 5% per trade to keep your capital intact. Always use stop losses. This is non-negotiable when doing trading. Every single trade needs a stop loss before you enter. Keep a trading journal. Write down every single trade you take. Entry price, exit price, why you took it, what you learned. This is how you improve. Never chase pumps. If you missed a move, wait for the next setup. FOMO is the fastest way to lose money. And lastly, never risk more than you can afford to lose. Trading is a skill that can give you freedom, but it can also become risky. It takes repetition and discipline. MEXC also offers other ways to earn and trade beyond standard futures. Copy trading. If you're not ready to trade on your own or want to learn from the pros, MEXC's copy trading feature lets you automatically mirror the positions of experienced traders. This means when they open a trade, your account opens the same trade proportionally. It's perfect for beginners who want to start earning while they're still learning the ropes. Earn. If you prefer a more passive approach, you can stake your crypto and earn interest without actively trading. This is ideal if you're holding long-term and want your assets to work for you in the background. You can unstake anytime, giving you flexibility while still earning rewards. Advanced challenges. MEXC offers tasks like the specified leverage task, where you can earn 30 USDT if you trade 300K with 21 times leverage within a time period. There are also lead trade tasks and invite friends to earn bonuses. These are all accessible from the main dashboard, and I'll be covering them in depth in future tutorials, including how to choose the best traders to copy and which staking pools offer the highest returns. Alright, so that's the full breakdown of how to trade futures on MEXC. From signing up to depositing to opening and managing your first trade. Before you go, remember, use my link in the description to claim bonuses. Start small, focus on learning, and don't chase profits at first. Remember, start small, focus on learning, and don't chase profit at first. I'll also be uploading more MEXC tutorials covering topics like copy trading, spot trading, staking strategies, and advanced challenges, so subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I read every single one, and I'll see you in the next video.